MTB Nation. Peace, good people. It's about midday and it's about the juice time. So I figure instead of tell you about it, I'm actually show you how to do it step by step. Real simple, real easy, not hard at all. And I'm going to show you how I make juice for healthy hair and healthy skin. And I do it every day, at least 2 times a day. I'll be back with the ingredients and I'll be back with the simple steps to get you to healthier and smoother skin, all right? MTB Nation, let's grow. Peace, good people. This is all we're going to need today. We're going to make a spinach, orange, and apple juice, okay? So all you're going to need is, obviously, apples, oranges, spinach. You're going to need your strainer, your funnel, inexpensive blender, and whatever bottled water you use, okay? It could be alkaline water, it could be spring water, it could be filtered, but just not tap water, all right? And we're going to explain the hair and skin benefits of each of these. Number 1, spinach. It's loaded with folate, iron, and vitamin A and C and promotes hair growth, all right? So the vitamin A helps skin glands make more sebum, and that's the oily substance that keep your scalp naturally moisturized, all right? And then it has iron in it, which helps, oxygen in the red blood cells carry it throughout your body, and it fuels the metabolism and thus promoting healthy hair growth. All right, and then spinach also is like your natural. It helps fortify your natural skin's defense. All right, and it also keeps you radiant and glowing. You feel me? Apples. All right, so the apples have soluble fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, right? And it has phenolic compound and biotin. All right, so it strengthens the hair roots and promotes healthy hair growth, right? And the antioxidants makes your skin younger, so it shaves off some age, okay? Lastly, we're gonna use some oranges, right? So oranges, of course, have vitamin C, which promote healthy, shiny hair. Antioxidants, it helps produce skin collagen, all right? So it holds in the vitamin A and E, the beta carotene, the flavonoids, and magnesium that boosts hair growth and brightens your skin. The apples first. Put it in here. Bang. Oranges. Okay. Lastly, take the 2 handfuls of spinach. What you could do is break it up, crumble it up. I only got one hand right now because the other hand's holding the the phone camera. So I'm gonna stuff it in there like that. All right, take the last little bit, stuff it in there like that. And what I usually do, take enough water just to kind of fill it to almost the top. You don't want to put too much, fill it all the way to the top because it'll spill over. All right, hold on, let's get the blend game going. Gotta get it right, buddy. So you let it blend to your liking. All right, so you no longer hear crunching sounds, or if you want to count, maybe you could do it for a minute or 2. You can drink it with the pulp. But me, personally, because I don't have a juicer, I drain and strain the pulp for a smoother, less grainy juice. Hold on. All right, so now, here's the I call it the poor man's way of making juice, right? So after you blend it, before I do that, you can always sweeten it with agave. The apples are making sweet enough, oranges, but for you to have a sweet tooth that don't want to use crystallized sugar, put I'd say about 7 to 10 squirts in there. Okay. Blend it up again. Boom, right? Now what you want to do is get your strainer funnel container. Take this off. What you want to do is hold it over there, of course. Once it fills up to capacity, use a spoon to help it along and drain. For those of you who are really, really into it, you can drink the pulp. Yes, you can. Here's the thing. If you want a smoother juice, not too grainy, this is a good way to strain it without having a juicer. Alright, so you want to go back and forth till it drains down. Notice the beautiful color. All of that chlorophyll in there, which is what makes the plant green. All that oxygen, like my wife always said, this juice is alive, man. It's alive. And earlier on in the video, I told you each benefit of healthy hair and skin. Okay? And look, take a look over the top. And as it drains out, see all that pulp? And he's saying, wow, I don't want to waste all that. So, real quick, you don't want to waste all this pulp. What you could do is infuse it with some nice bottled water later on. You put it in the freezer. And you could do a number of things with it. Okay? Once I strain that, I'll show you how I drink it and enjoy it. Here's the finished product, you know. Uh-oh, I want to drop the glass. Just garnished it with some lemon, give it that kick. Beautiful color. I'm about to sit out here on the balcony, reflect, and enjoy. Very sweet, not syrupy, very refreshing. And I think you'll like the undertones of apple. You can hardly taste the spinach and the lemon to give it that kick. So, having said that, do this about every day. No, not about every day. Every day, and you'll see the results. You feel me? Good people deserve good energy. Love y'all, man. Who's next?